bills of exchange. Here the problem is given. So on 2013 March 31st, Radhika sold goods to Harika worth of 9,000 rupees on credit basis. Okay, so the Radhika drew a bill for 2 months for the same amount. So here the Radhika is as drawer. Who accepts the bill? Harika. Harika accepts the bill and returns it to the Radhika. After 2 months, Radhika pay the bill amount on maturity date. So the bill is honored after 2 months. So they are required to prepare necessary journal entries in the books of Harika and Radhika. Okay. So Radhika is a lawyer. Okay. So what's the first transaction? Radhika sold goods to Harika on credit basis. What is the entry? Harika account debited. Harika account debited to sales account. So on which date? 2013 March 1st. Okay. So what's the credit value? 9,000 rupees. What's the narration? Being goods sold to Harika on credit. Drew a bill for 2 months for the same amount. Drew a bill for the 2 months for the same amount. Who drew the bill? Radhika drew the bill. Who accepted the bill? Harika accepted the bill. When Harika accepts the bill is legal document. Okay. So when it is legal document, we have to make the entry. Okay. So receivable account debited to Harika account. So what's the value? They drew bill worth of 9,000 rupees only on the March 1st. Okay, what's the narration? Being drew bill for 2 months. Okay, so that's it. After 2 months, the bill is honored. So when the bill is honored, what is the entry? Cash account debited to bills receivable account. Okay, what's the value? 9,000 rupees. What's the narration? Being bill is honored after 2 months. What's the date of maturity? May, June is 2 months. So when bill is honored? May. So when the bill is matured? May 4. When bill is matured? May 4th. We have to add the 3 grace days. May 4th. Okay. So if you observe these entries, so the first entry is goods sold on credit basis. This is the credit sale. So in the second entry, this is the secured credit sale. Secured credit sale. So what is the difference of first and the second entry? This is the first entry is unsecured credit sale. Second one is a secured credit sale. When you make the secured credit sale, you have to close the unsecured credit sale. Okay, so that's why Harika account is debited. Now we credited it. Okay, so when you receive the bills amount, you should close the bills receivable account. Okay, here bills receivable is debited. When the amount is received, the bills receivable amount should be credited. Okay. So next, which account will? Whose books we have to draw now?
In the books
Journal entries.
In the books of
Journal entries
in the books of
in the books of
Harika.
in the books of Harika. Who sold goods, sir?
Radhika.
Radhika sold goods. Harika purchased goods. Okay. So Radhika purchased goods from
Radhika.
Harika purchased goods from Radhika on credit basis on 2013 March 1st. March 1st. Okay. So what is the entry? Purchase account debited. Purchase account debited to Radhika account. Purchase account debited to Radhika account. What is the narration? Being goods purchased on credit basis. Okay. On the same day, which means March 1st, Harika accepted the bill. Accepted the bill. When Harika accepted the bill, what is the entry? Radhika account debited to bills receivable account. Bills payable account. Radhika account debited to bills payable account. Okay. Why should we debited the Radhika account? Why? Because this is a credit purchase. Okay. We have to close the credit purchase in the case of secured credit purchase. Okay. So what's the value of purchase? 9,000 rupees. Next, after 2 months, the bill is honored, which means Harika pay the amount to the Radhika on maturity date. The maturity date is May 4th. May 4th. Okay, 2 months plus 3 grace days. What's the entry? Bills payable account debited. So, why is bills payable account debited? Why? Because in the previous entry it is credited. Now we have to debit. If you debited means you are going you closed the bills payable account. Okay. Then to cash account. To cash account. So when the bill amount is paid, what's the entry? Bills payable account debited to cash account. That's it.